So anytime that you travel to Lake Erie or really anywhere fishing late in the season, I mean, we're well into December right now, it's important to realize that a lot of the fish cleaning facilities are probably going to be closed. So what I like to do is I pack a few really key items so that I can properly clean and store my fish, my fillets for the ride home. So it starts with a cleaning board to go on the tailgate of the truck. I bring along a roll of paper to cover that board up. And then some of the items that are important are black nitrile gloves, some Ziploc bags to put your fillets in. Lake Erie, we have to keep the fillets intact. That's something important to remember. Of course, you need a high quality cordless fillet knife because we are outside probably cleaning on the tailgate. You cannot ever have too much paper towel no matter what you're doing. But I also travel with this bucket, and what I do with the bucket is I'll put the garbage bags inside of the bucket, put the fish guts in there. That way I can seal it all up. It's a nice clean setup. There's not guts all over the place. Last but not least, a high quality cooler to properly transport your catch back home at the proper temperature. As long as you remember to pack these items, you're going to be treated to a great fish fry when you get home.